Hi, I'm Micaela. I would like to give a shout out to Dr. Kittredge. About 1 year ago in April of 2025, I was running. I am a long-time, multi-decades endurance runner, and I was on a short 6-mile run at my house, and I felt a sharp pain in my right knee, on the inside of my right knee. I didn't think much of it, and I kept running, finished my run, went home, and I thought, it's just a tweak or a twitch in the knee, and I was expecting this sharp knee pain to go away. It didn't. Over the next weeks to months, this knee pain continued on, debilitating my normal life. I was unable to sit cross-legged. I was no longer able to swim breaststroke. I couldn't do knee squats. I couldn't bend my knees. I couldn't sit on my knees. Every single day for me was pain management and mobility management. The only thing left for me to do that did not cause me acute daily pain was a little bit of bicycling. It was not just physically devastating, but emotionally devastating. I canceled all my races, all my runs. I couldn't do anything. I tried physical therapy. I tried resting the knee. I tried exercises. I tried a natural homeopathic doctor. I tried anti-inflammatories, medications, heating it, icing it, everything you could think of. I finally ended up in the office of Dr. Kittredge. He was incredibly kind and generous, and most importantly, listened to me, not only as a person, but as a woman and as an athlete. He did an exam on my knee and pushed on one specific location, which caused me to almost hit the ceiling. He looked at me, he said, "Mika, you've torn your medial meniscus." He said, "I would bet on it that you tore your medial meniscus. Let's get an MRI and confirm it." I got the MRI and it was confirmed. I had a degenerative tear of my medial meniscus on my right knee. He said to me, surgery is going to be the way to go. Now, as an athlete, I was nervous about undergoing surgery, but Dr. Kittredge took time and effort to sit with me for a long time to answer my questions, to discuss and describe the surgery, to describe the aftercare, and to let me know exactly what to expect. I will be forever grateful for his time during that office visit. I did schedule the surgery, and when I went into right before surgery, Dr. Kittredge met with me. We confirmed that the surgery, the medial meniscectomy that we were going to do, and he said, "Mika, you're going to feel so much better." After 7 months of acute, debilitating pain in my right knee, I thought to myself, this couldn't get worse. I went into surgery, and I woke up from surgery, and I had no knee pain at all. I didn't even have pain from the surgery itself. Now, that may have been because of some local anesthesia, and I was under general anesthesia. But the one thing I am going to say is that from the time I woke up to surgery to this video today, I had no more knee pain. In addition to that, and I followed Dr. Kittredge's post-operative instructions mostly, I was very careful to go back to slow walking, and then maybe a slow walk and a jog, and then I went back to running. This surgery was done on November 3rd, 2025. And as I slowly went back to trying things out and my normal activity, I found out that I was able to get back to everything without pain. I was able to swim breaststroke again. I was able to jog again. I was able to run again. I was able to sit cross-legged again. I was able to do deep squats again. I was able to go to the gym again, move again, walk again, run again with no pain. I feel like I got a second lease on life. My gratitude is limitless. as the months went by, I started running again, short distances, then longer distances. In January, I towed the line for my first half marathon. I did great, ran the distance, a little under 2 hours. In March of this year, I towed the line for my first marathon. Sadly, at the end of the race, I missed the 26-mile marker and actually ran an extra 2 miles. But the entire race, I had no pain at all. After that, about 3.5 weeks later, I had signed up for my second marathon. And in April of 2026, 1 year after my degenerative tear, I ran the Tidewater Marathon. I broke 4 hours. I ran a 3:53 that I haven't run in a couple of years. I qualified for Boston, and I got first place in my age category. Go Mika. But I would say beyond all of that, go Dr. Kittredge. I owe all of this to Dr. Kittredge, and I just returned 1 day ago from Bhutan, where I completed my third marathon of the year, which was a hill marathon going up a steep mountain. And again, I did great, no knee pain, and I am just so incredibly grateful to Dr. Kittredge's time, surgical skill, and medical expertise. So again, a big shout out to Dr. Kittredge. Thank you.